Justin, Snowmageddon's coming.
Yep.
We know this
Yep.
from the weather report. And my big question is, what are the advantages of driving a Honda in the snow and the black ice that we have right now?
Great question. So the all-wheel drive system that the Hondas have, they have what are called a real-time all-wheel drive system. So that system is going to allow you in the normal mode, which we're in right now.
Yeah.
And that drive mode switch can be changed down below. We'll get to that in a second. Normal is going to drive itself. It's always all-wheel drive, but you have a little bit more power diverted to the front wheels than you do the rear wheels. And then whenever your wheels start to slip, it'll distribute the power where it's needed. Now, when Snowmageddon comes on Sunday and we have to drive through the snow, which we should probably stay home, but let's say you had to venture out, you could put it in the snow mode.
All right, so
now that snow mode has more evenly distributed your all-wheel drive system.
Okay, so whenever I'm on snow, whenever I'm on ice, this distributes my all-wheel drive differently?
Yes, you're going to actually want to have it in the snow mode. So let's say that you're stuck in the snow or the mud and you're having trouble gaining traction. What could be happening is your wheels could be spinning in the mud or on top of some ice, and you'll find that you're not gaining the traction that you thought that you would get, okay, in the all-wheel drive system. What's happening are the wheels are actually spinning, and the system thinks that you're going out of control at a higher speed, because all vehicles have what's called stability assist. So what you could do is, if you are having trouble in the snow or the mud and you just need that little extra traction to get you going, you can disable stability assist manually, and that will allow for your wheels to continue to spin.
Okay.
And I'll actually,
how can we do that on here?
So you can go on the wheel on your
Yes.
steering wheel there, and you're actually going to bring it up. It's going to say stability assist.
Okay.
And little squiggly lines, that one right there. Go ahead and click that scroll bar and then scroll down and hit enter right there.
Yeah.
And that will activate and actually disactivate the traction control or your vehicle stability assist. Now again, if you're heading up a hill and you're not going fast enough to need this, this will help gain a little extra traction. You may never have to turn it off, but again, just to prove a point, if you're stuck in the snow or the mud and the all-wheel drive system just isn't kicking it and you put it in the snow mode and you were still having an issue, this will help gain traction. And it's going to be tough to maybe view this on camera, but go ahead and stop right here.
Yes.
And then give it like some gas, like right away, and you'll feel your tires kind of spin a little bit. Okay, did you feel this spin a little bit?
A little bit, yeah.
Now go back. And it's tough because we're trying to do this on ice.
Yeah.
And you were in normal. So here's what I would suggest. So again, if you have an all-wheel drive Honda and you're having trouble getting the traction that you're looking for, first thing you want to do is switch to snow mode.
All right, all the way down there at the bottom.
Yep. And then take off your stability assist from the steering wheel.
There we go, just like that.
Just like that. And then what you will do is just hit the accelerator, and then you're going to find that your wheels aren't going to spin.
Oh yeah,
quite as
you're
much.
right. You're right. We actually do get more traction, more immediate there.
But the point that I'm trying to make is stability assist will break your wheels if it thinks that you're going out of control at higher speeds. So again, if you don't disable it and your wheels are spinning, it thinks that you're going out of control. It's kind of breaking your wheels, a little counterproductive. You're trying to gain traction and it holds you back. And it's just a little trick of the trade to kind of gain some extra traction for your all-wheel drive system, or in a front-wheel drive Honda. It's really going to help out with your traction as well. And just to let everybody know, when you do disable this and you start to get back up to speed, I want to say above 25, 30 miles an hour, you can re-enable it. And then you obviously want to have stability assist when you're at higher speeds. It's just designed to kind of get you that traction and get going again. And if you care to know, if you ever turn the car off and back on again and didn't re-enable it, it does it automatically for you. It's that important to have that on.
Now let's say we're going down an icy or snowy hill, right? And we want to be careful with that.
Yep.
Is there a way is there anything that we can do to kind of help us with that hill?
Absolutely. See this button right there?
Yeah.
Go ahead and click that. That's your downhill descent control button.
Okay.
So go ahead and start heading down the hill here. And you're going to see your accelerator gauge right there between 2 and 12 miles an hour. And just pick any speed between 2 and 12 and take your foot off the accelerator now that it's set in green there.
Yep.
And you can concentrate on steering. It'll lock into throttle at whatever speed between 2 and 12 miles an hour that you choose to allow you to steer.
This is great. My foot's off of the accelerator and off of the brake, and this is just inching us down here without me. You know, I don't have to slam on the brake here or anything like that. This is really nice.
So if anybody has a steep driveway at home, or you're traveling through your property and your all-wheel drive system, this is really going to help out. Bring up the all-wheel drive torque distribution on here.
Oh yeah,
there it is, right there. Okay, so now we're in the snow mode, so we're going to have a little bit more equal power. And when you start to drive, take a trip around the front of the building here. we can kind of wrap around, and you'll see that this blue gauge kind of comes up on each tire, and that's showing you your all-wheel drive, again, torque distribution.
So you can kind of see where the power is going, what wheels the power is going to.
And in the snow mode, again, you're going to have more equal power, so you're going to kind of see how that power is distributed more equally. Now, put it into the normal mode. At a get-go, once you get up to speed, you'll notice if you left that up there that there will actually be a little bit more power diverted to the front wheels and the rear wheels.
Well, Justin, thanks for taking the time and kind of explaining to us how Honda all-wheel drive system works in the wintertime.
You're welcome.
If people have questions, how would they be able to contact you?
Sure. Well, they can comment in the comment section below. You can visit us right here on Route 30 in Greensburg, and please come in and ask for me, Justin Thompson, or visit us online at smailhonda.com.